Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. The upgrade path for LinuxMint 21.3 to LinuxMint 22 has released. So what I'd like to do is just step through that process with you. They're recommending to switch to the Fastly repository. So what we'll do is we will run that first. So if we pull up a terminal, yeah, I'm already in it. Let me exit out of that. So they're using Z. I'm going to use nano, but you basically just sudo nano, and then they give you the path here: ets apt source list d official package repositories list. So we're going to press enter on that, and then it basically says to find the line that's got Virginia main upstream import back port. So that's this first one here, and replace it with this line. So it's basically just appending this front piece here to it. So I'm going to replace the default deb. Edit paste. And just make sure you've got a space in there. I'm going to do a Control Alt to write the file out. Press enter, and I'm going to do a Control X. And then I just want to go back in and make sure that it did save that. So yeah, I've got the Fastly link in here now. So I'll do another Control X to get out. All right, and that takes care of Fastly. All right, let's go ahead and do what it says. Do apt update. Put in our password. Apt install mint upgrade. Just gonna go grab the upgrade utility. And then we'll do a sudo mint upgrade. And then you'll see it does look exactly the same from the website. It's just in the dark mode. And now we'll say, let's go. A series of tests will be performed to prepare the computer for the upgrade. Okay. And if for some reason you don't have a snapshot on the machine yet, it will ask you to do that. So yeah, here we go. System snapshots. If the upgrade is unsuccessful, a system snapshot will allow you to roll back, basically, right? So we want to go ahead and do that. So if you don't have one set up yet, you'll get this screen. Just click on Fix. This will bring up Time Shift. Next. All right, and the snapshot has been taken, so we'll go ahead and close out of that. And then the upgrade tool is going to look for packages. All right, now it's going to point the packages to the new release. We're going to press OK on that. And it's just going to give you a summary here. Upgrade will be performed. The download size is 2.4 gigabytes. How much space it needs. And then how many packages are going to be updated. So it's going to press OK on this. And it'll start downloading. Alright, looks like that's finished, so we'll go ahead and click on OK. And it'll begin the upgrade. All right, and it has found some packages that need to be downgraded back to the official version. So we'll just click on the Fix button. And we'll just let it finalize the upgrade here. Alright, it does say that the upgrade was successful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close out of this. And it says when the tool is done and upgrade is successful, uninstall and reboot your machine. So that's what I'll do here. And it does say that in the terminal as well. So what we'll do is we'll do apt remove mint upgrade. And then a sudo reboot. I'm going to pull up the welcome screen here so we can confirm LinuxMint 22. So it was successful. And that's going to do it for today's video. Here are some more videos you may find helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.